This is a, oh fuck. Oh fuck yeah. That's it. That's all you get. Oh, she smells. This is a, oh fuck.
And its hard shell case makes it tough, so mechanics trust it and you won't bust it.
There you go, just broke it straight away.
And you won't bust it. Bust.
Utensils for pumping stuff up. Car tire. Love this. We'll make it look like it takes a battery, even though this doesn't take a battery. Your average battery will cost more than this anyway, you need the old lithium. Cord is quite long. There's no way to, oh, here we go. That. So, that's how you'd get that out. Fuck me. That's not my fault. I was only going to comment on how shit the plastic was. I wasn't trying to break it. I was just saying you could see how firm it was. Alright, brought a tyre in. Creepy crawlies, spiders and everything. This one I had was sitting out back for Justin. See whenever Justin comes up. Oh, that's got a seal. Let's go. 40 psi. Seems like a good solid test for it. So we've learned two things already. One, I need to remember where I keep my tyre pressure gauge. I'm gonna have to go find that, double check what it actually hit. This is red 36, I'd like to know how accurate that is. Two, it takes a bloody long time. It's like shearing a pig, a lot of noise, not much wool.
Power of your vehicle to inflate anything, anytime, anywhere. In just seconds.
That took 15, almost 20 minutes. I'll put the exact time here, but that took right on. It was 5:14 when I started, and it's 5:36 now. I have paused the camera. I'll double check the footage. It gets quite hot, but I can leave my hand on there, which is saying good things. Although it is very cold out today. I dare say if you pull over and it's a 40-degree day, yes, that's Celsius, 40-degree day, and you've got a flat tire, this thing is gonna get red hot. It's very plastic, very cheap. As you can see, I already broke it, but we'll trigger is a trigger. I'm not sure about this lock function. That doesn't work at all. Just does not stop the trigger. The light, handy if it's dark, I guess. It's something, it's there, so can't really argue with it. It's the cheapest plastic you can find. Here we go, ancient old Weehouse Slim. That's the ticket. They've changed the colour. It's the same material, but they've changed the colour to make it look like it's got over moulding. So in the adverts and stuff, she looks good.
Now there's a better way to inflate everything. It's the Air Dragon.
Still very hot. This is plain old plastic. No fibres in that. Actually, this green is a paint. So it's the two clamshells and a bottom piece. Well, that's shit. They haven't even bothered to twist these together. So that join's destined to fail, even just sitting around in the boot of your car. Little diode. Wow. Don't know why I didn't expect that to be hot. Very hot. Second thing I've learnt is I really need to get myself a temperature sensor so I can give you exact readings on what I'm talking about being hot. This is a very brittle gear. Oh. Very rudimentary air pump.
The power is in the piston.
Let's make it run, eh? So we can actually see this air pump move.
Compressing the air faster and stronger to get the job done.
If your question is, will the Air Dragon pump up a tyre on the side of the road? Yes. Should you buy one? No. For the price they try and get you, with its infomercials and as seen on TV and rah, no point buying it. Just get a regular air compressor, little one yay big, sits in your boot the same, takes up way less time to get you up and going, way better for in the heat, bigger motor, bigger compressor. The fact that they don't even give you a little DC transformer so you can plug this in around the house, like if you bought this to blow up your basketballs or your footballs for your son or your kids, you just want something to blow up your air mattress or whatever.
Full job's a breeze.
All fine and dandy, but do you really want to be dragging the air mattress outside?
Full job's a breeze.
To your car to blow it up?
Full job's a breeze.
Do you really want to be having to start the car to pump up a ball? For something like this quality, this grade, you want to be able to just say, buy one of these if you're a single mum or whatever. You got no usage, you don't pump up your tyres, you call RAC or AAA or whatever thing every time you get a flat tyre. You want this just to be for home, pumping up a soccer ball, pumping up a basketball, whatever type of ball you want to play with, you should be able to pump it up. I don't know. Doesn't even come with a 12-volt transformer. What are you going to use it for? Your car? drag your mattress out to your car, blow it up.
Job's a breeze.
Piece of shit.